Now all the girls gon' follow, all the fake friends gon' pile up. I need peace to borrow, get that shit right back tomorrow.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video, we're going to talk about the stutter effect. Now remember, these effects are just things that you can be able to do to your footage to really kind of help your viewer to stay engaged with the video. As long as those eyes are jumping and those eyes keep having things that they got to relay over to the brain that they think are happening, your viewer will be satisfied. So now, if you're new here to the channel, welcome. For all my return watchers, welcome back. I'm glad you guys are here today with me, JT. So look, we're gonna get over into this edit. We're gonna go with the video that we just finished editing and what we worked on, the freeze frame. So in this video, we're getting ready to do this stutter effect, right? So basically the stutter effect, and I've gone in, I just went and found a spot that I like, that I want to use for the stutter effect too. So I've gone in and I've played all the way up to this point right here, right before that still. What I want to do is, I want to make him do a little stutter right before that still, okay? So that still is kind of a highlight moment. So I'm gonna bring it over here. This is where I want that stutter. Let me check out another frame. Okay, right there. Now I really want it to happen right before, because we already have the freeze frame that's gonna come up that's gonna say still. So I'm gonna come in here now. I'm gonna use my blade tool to cut right there where I've decided I want that stutter step to happen, right? Now this is what I'm gonna do. I hadn't done this in a while, but we're gonna make it work. So now, let me zoom out some. Everything's gonna have to be moved over, so you may as well get ready to move everything over. And you can do that just by simply selecting. You can either drag and select, or you can hold down the clip and you can hold down the command key and then select the clip that you want. So we just cut it right there, right? Now, let me see here. Zoom in some. Let me see. Now, the fewer the clips that you select, the faster that stutter is going to be. So sometimes this can kind of be a little trial and error based on what you want. All right. So now this is what we're going to do. Let's see here. We're going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think that's cool right there. I think that'll be good. That'll be good. Now we're going to select it. Come here back with my razor blade tool. Bam, got it. Okay, so we just selected it. Now, click on my arrow key again. So now what we know is that moving forward, this right here is where we're gonna start, because you can go stutter, 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 back and forth all day long. All right, but whatever you do, whatever you decide that's what you're getting ready to do next. You've got to use this clip to go back. All right, so now I'm going to select this clip. I'm gonna bring it up here just to kind of get it out of the way, right? So now we've got this one right here is going to be going forward 5 frames. I'm going to duplicate it. And now that I've duplicated it, I'm going to do a right click. I'm going to go to change clip speed. And I'm going to go to reverse speed. Now, then I'm going to take the first clip and duplicate it again and put it in front. That way, when we butt the original part of the video up against this, it'll continue to go in the exact same way that it was already going. I'm going to duplicate this over here just for example purpose, to kind of show you what I'm talking about again. I'm gonna bring it down to here and let it go. So watch this.
All the fake friends gon' pile up.
Did you see that little?
All the fake friends gon' pile up. All the fake friends gon' pile up.
Okay, let's go back. I'm gonna make it full screen.
All the fake friends gon' pile up.
And that's the effect. And again, like I said, these are things that you can use and do to keep your viewer engaged and make them say, hey, what was that? And that's it. I mean, that's it. It is as simple as that. Now, I just did that, right? But you can make that stutter as many times as you want to. It's all depending on you. You can also make it for as not only as long as you want to, but you can make the go forward and come back as often as you want to as well. Let's just duplicate it just to be able to show you. So that last time here, we're gonna copy, duplicate those two, and then you'll see what I'm talking about. Very easy.
The fake friends gon' pile up. I need peace to borrow. Get that shit right back. The fake friends gon' pile up. I need peace of.
And that's pretty much the stutter effect. So now we'll go ahead and put it all together. Let me delete this. And then I'm going to delete those two because I don't want it to be that long. I just want to have the original, the reverse stutter, and then just continue back on with where we were going. So I'm going to grab everything. And guys, let me know if I'm going too fast. This video is meant to be for those of us who are always at the beginning stage of whatever we're doing. So, hey, look, that's where we're at with it. Okay, so we only added just a couple of frames. So I think instead of, I think I'm actually going to reduce my fade out on the music a little bit. So let's kind of see how it works out. Pull this down so you can be able to see a little more. There we go.
All the fake friends gon' pile up. I need peace to borrow. Get that shit right back tomorrow.
So you know we may could have added one more.
All the fake friends gon' pile up. I need peace
I just
to
don't
borrow.
want to
Get
be
that
too
shit right.
repetitive. And now one of the things we could have done, I could have made the frames like instead of 5 frames, maybe use 6 frames or maybe possibly even 7. But you kind of want it to be like something that happens really quick and go on. Just nothing to take over the video or change the overall, you know, look and feel of the video, but actually just to just to be able to add a little spice to it, you know. So guys, that is the stutter effect, and I hope that this video has brought some added value to you and your content creation. Now look, so guys, that's it. There we have it. Now I hope that this video has brought some added value to you and your content creation. If it did, consider subscribing. If you have a comment or if you have a question about what we just did on this stutter effect, feel free to drop it in the comments. You know, that way somebody can get to you. If I see it, I'm gonna get to you as quick as I possibly can, and then we'll just continue to go from there. We're about to get in a way where, you know, we'll be able to be comfortable in the things we do. I'm going to give you some tools that you'll be able to use for all of your creative projects. And I heard somebody say the other day, man, these are things that I can just do on some of my projects at work, just to be able to add a little something. I mean, you know, you don't want your videos to be so effect heavy unless the theme of your videos are just effect heavy. But these are just things that you can be able to add in that are going to help your overall presentation of your video and keep your viewer engaged. If it is a creative project, these are the types of effects you want. If it's a narrative type project or a drama type project, then you probably don't want to use these kind of effects. That's for hard cuts and telling your story. So guys, again, if this is your first time being with me, I'm glad you're here. I can't wait to see where this community goes. And look, stay tuned for the next one. We've got some real exciting stuff coming up.
Now all the girls gon' follow. All the fake friends gon' pile up. I need peace to borrow. Get that shit right back tomorrow somehow.